So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your phone screen show up on your computer, and you'll be able to control your phone from your computer. And you can use this for examples where you're making a tutorial, like I'll be doing later, for how to use our portal. And you can use this also to compare two versions of a website, or you can use this for anything related to you needing to present both something on a desktop, environment, and also on a mobile environment. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Play Store, and you're going to have to search for an app called Android Cast. And if you don't know where to search for that, you go to the top right here, type in Android Cast, and you can see here that you have this green icon. All right, you're going to hit install, and then once that installs, it would ask. Obviously, it's going to help if you're on Wi-Fi and things like that, right? You're going to have this app that you finally have downloaded, Android Cast Screen Mirroring, right? So I'm going to hit open, and that's going to open the app, right? And I'm going to need a code. I'm going to have to hit allow. And now you see that there's this code, right? And if you're still looking at my screen, you're watching me go to AirDroid. All right, AirDroid Cast. You can actually go to the main homepage, airdroid.com. And then, oh, actually, no, sorry. You do have to go to AirDroid Cast. Droid, airdroid.com/cast. Okay. So I'm assuming that AirDroid Cast is just one of their products. All right, now you're going to hit the download now button. Now, if you notice, I'm not doing anything right now with my phone other than having the app opened. But if you notice, they have Windows, they have Mac. I'm actually working on a Chromebook right now. So this also proves that this works on both a Chromebook, Windows, and a Mac computer. So let's go to the Chrome, which is browser. I'm going to hit allow, which I believe I have to do. And then if you notice, now I have this code here. Well, I'm going to stop messing with my computer now, and I'm going to go to my phone now. So my phone, I have to enter this code called 302-429-656. All right. And I'm going to hit start casting on my phone. It says waiting for device response, now waiting for confirmation. Now I go back to my computer, and then I say allow SMS918U to cast the current browser. I'm not really going to check this box. You can do this if you think you're going to do this all the time. I'm just doing it for this example and to make a tutorial later today. So I'm going to hit allow without checking that box. Now on the phone now, there's a pop-up that says start recording or casting with AirDroid Cast. I'm also going to hit start now. There's a tip pop-up that says to ensure stable performance for AirDroid Cast in the background, please ignore the battery optimization. I do want it to ensure stable performance for Droidcast. Oh, I don't know why it ended, but I think I timed out. Let me try again. It's good that this error is happening while I'm making this video in case you guys run into the same error. Same thing, I'm going to allow. I'm going to hit start now. And I'm just going to hit OK this time on it. And it looks like this time it's already showing. Stop battering, yeah, allow. And I don't mind it turning off that battery optimization, right? Because I want this to be able to run smooth. I'm thinking an example where maybe, I'm meeting with a client or something. I'm meeting with a customer. You really don't want your presentation to get killed in the middle of, right in the middle of you making this video. You want it to stay working and to be smooth and to, be able to, uh, again, to just to keep working. Sorry if I ran out of words there. But now you can see here that if I swipe home on my phone, I can also see it on my desktop, right? So I can continue working here and doing everything I need to do on my phone, or I think I can also, oh, it looks like to get control of it is probably a different step. But that kind of concludes this video. If you just need to be able to show your screen on your computer, this is the easiest and fastest way to do this. You saw that I was able to do this in barely a few minutes here. I think under 5 minutes, and that's with me talking and explaining some of these steps. All right. So again, if you'd like to see other videos like this, or if you would like to subscribe to our channel, please do. I run a marketing company here, and we're constantly trying to document some of the things that we do to help us do things smoothly here. All right. Take care.